A cabinet member is an alter ego of the president. An alter ego. So, he must be one whom I trust, whom I'm confident that I could work well. Now, sinasabi nila, kababayan, kasama, kabarkada. No, they are not. Wala, hindi ko kabarkada. I tell you, reason why? Probinsyano ako. Ang sphere of influence ko, or my sphere of, my comfort zone, is really Davao City. At Davao City, nakakakilala kami. Dahil nagpunta ako Manila, nasa dormitoryo ako. So, ang karamihan na close akin, I do not attend party. I was never asked to join any mga dibu-dibu despedida dyan sa mga mayaman. Hanggang sini lang ako, pati kantin. Ano ko sa Traduar, umuwi na naman ako dito. So, ang nakilala ko, yung mga classmate ko, pati yung mga brad ko, pati yung mga taga San Beda, pati taga Davao. So, yun yung ang crowd ko. I can only pluck the membership of the cabinet from a small area. Kagaya ni Secretary Jokno. Hindi naman kailangan yan because he has been secretary and is good. Kasi believe ako sa kanya, kaya nandyan siya, Secretary Brunel. I mean, by herself, she's an institution. So why do I have to go around picking people na marami? Carlos Dominguez III, he was the PAL president many years ago. Tapos he was the agriculture secretary of, and he was my classmate hanggang grade 2. Valedictorian niya yung perme. Artugade. He's not really my kababayan, he comes from Tugigarao. But I know him because he was, sa San Pedro, he was valedictorian. Natin ito, valedictorian. Ano mo ito si Delphin Lorenzana? He used to command yung region dito, mayor pa ako. Ito, yung Kibuloy. Classmate yan sila sa Cotabato City. Ang valedictorian sa kanang klase si Lorenzana. Hindi ko yung kinuha because he's brain. Hindi ko sundalo ko nila. Hindi ko kailang sundalo sige lang patay. Defense Secretary has to know that there's always a time to talk peace and a time to wage war. Sino ngayon ang medyo mahina? Yung amo nila, 75 na.